Today we are going to see how to bring in the red using Arduino software. So first of all, we are going to start. First we are going to define. I'm going to define what you are going to use. First we are going to define red, which is on pin 10. After defining it, we're going to come here in the board setup. We're going to say pin mode, choose any output. Pin mode, choose any output red. Then I'm going to use delay. Also, this delay will help us bringing the red, because the red, in order to be bringing to be on and off for a short time, that be on and off for a short time, we are going to use delay in order to control that process of being on and off for a short time. So we come here for the void loop. In the void loop, we are going to make our digital be on for a given time, which are going to set after, say digital white, red, going to be high or on. Then after setting to be high, we're going to say delay. In order to set that time to be on, set delay for 500 milliseconds, then say digital right, red, below. To below means to be off. Then I set the time to be off. That time be also 500 milliseconds. This is the program we set to make our LED be on and off in a short time, or we can call it bringing a LED. This program will help us make our LED bringing for a period of time. This bringing will take all the time, because we didn't set how many times. As it is in the loop, it will keep bringing as much as we still supply the power to our Arduino board. After making this program, we are going to save it. Come here, we save it, say bringing red, call it bringing reds. After saving, we are going to verify it. If it doesn't have any error inside, we're still waiting for the verification to be done, or comparing. After be done, shows there's no error in our program. The next step, we are going to connect our Arduino board to this computer and upload the video. So after making this program, we are going to take this Arduino board, then connect it to our laptop. Here, connect it. After connect it, coming back to the Arduino software, come in tools and see if the port it is connected or it is chosen. Here the port it is already selected. Then after that, coming back to the program and upload. After uploading the program, you are going to see if it reached to the Arduino board. The program has reached. As you can see, the green LED, it is bringing, or it is coming on and off for a short time. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, make comment and share. Thank you.